Hey everyone, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pair the i11's TWS here to the iPhone XS Max, the one with the notch. And of course, it will work the same for the XR and the XS as well. Now, to get the i11s into pairing mode, the first things you want to do is first remove one at a time out of the charging case. So as you remove the first one, you'll notice that it will start blinking blue and red. Alright, and then when you remove the second one, it will also do the same thing. Then they'll sync to each other automatically, and then you'll notice one side will go back into pairing mode, which is most likely the host earbuds, okay? And with that said and done, it means they have both connected to each other. And now what we're going to do is go into our settings here of the iPhone XS, and again, same thing for the XR and XS Max, which, well, this one is the XS Max. And then we'll go to Bluetooth here, and then we'll power it on. And as you do that, it will enable the Bluetooth settings. It'll start searching for nearby devices. Then you'll see i11. Once you see that, select it. And it'll tell you it's connected. And that's basically it, guys. You are good to go. Now, keep in mind, if you see two i11s, it means that these two have not synced to each other. And then you'll just have to run the process again and make sure they both sync to each other first. And then when you see just one i11, it means that they have connected and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and sub.